Robotics is an exciting field that attracts the attention of people from all different types of backgrounds. It's the middle ground of mechanical, electrical, and software engineering. It's a field that provides thousands of jobs every year and will only continue to grow in the future. One of the biggest challenges that hobbyists, educators, and even professionals all face alike is the overwhelming cost of hardware that is powerful enough to build interesting applications on. For most robotics hardware, there are two different categories. On one hand, you have solutions which are expensive but closed off and difficult to build on. In the other category, there are those platforms which are inexpensive but really lack the power and support that educators and professionals are looking for. Now there's a new solution available, which combines the best of both worlds, which is relatively inexpensive yet powerful enough to build interesting applications on. We call it the CoroBot Spark. So what exactly is the CoroBot Spark? What makes it different from all the other robotic platforms that you see available today? And lastly, why is it so important? To answer that, let's take a look at the face of education and how it's been evolving over the past decade. There has been an overwhelming push for STEM programs and other activities that focus on learning through doing and hands-on experience. From that, there has been a wide adoption of hobbyist hardware, such as the Raspberry Pi and other development boards. What this community of makers has done for the face of education is truly incredible and remarkable, to say the least. But hardware alone is not the answer. The CoroBot Spark is a robotics kit that combines both hardware and software into a complete open learning platform. On the hardware end, we have a complete open source chassis and bill of materials that we provide to anyone who wants to build their own. On top of this, we've developed our own Pi hat. We call it the CoroBot Pi hat. With the Raspberry Pi Model B Plus has been the availability to develop shields or Pi hats or hardware on top that increases the functionality of the Raspberry Pi. On our board that we have developed is additional computing power, LiPo battery recharging, motor control, and much, much more. For the software, we've created an open source Python-based graphical user interface. We call it Spark Control. With this program, students are able to both control and drive the robot around, or they can program it for more autonomous features. The reason that the CoroBot Spark project is so important is because it's not just about the kits. It's not just about the hardware. It's about providing open tools that can reshape education. By contributing to our project, it's not just about buying a kit or buying a piece, but it's contributing to something much larger than that. It's contributing to a movement that we hope will reface the shape of robotics and robotics education. That is why so many of our tools we provide completely free, whether it be the bill of materials or the parts required to build your own, or the software on top of the Raspberry Pi. By contributing to our project, you will help us take this project to the next level, to continue developing educational curriculum that we can freely give to our customers and to schools. Most importantly, with this project and with your support, we will be able to change the future of children's lives. So please contribute to this project.